Namo Namah. Friends, we are going to learn Sankhyae from 31 to 40. In previous videos, we have learned the numbers till 20. Now let us start further. Sankhyae, numbers. Ek trinshat. You can see here 3, 1. Trini, ek. Ek trinshat. In this box, if we count, there are 30 balls. Let us count in Sanskrit so that we can have a quick recap as well. Ekam or eka or ekah, dve or dvov, trayah, trini, chatvari, pancha, shad, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha. Dasha means 10. Now 10 plus 1. Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha. Shodasha, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vinshatihi. Ekavinshatihi, Dvavinshatihi, Trayovinshatihi, Chaturvinshatihi, Panchavinshatihi, Shadvinshatihi, Saptavinshatihi, Ashtavinshatihi, Navavinshatihi. And it's 30 Trinshata. Trinshat. Now, if we add 1 to Trinshat, it is Eka Trinshat. 31. Eka Trinshat. Now, Dvatrinshat. We have counted there are 30 balls. And if we add 2, Dva, Dva Trinshat. Tayas Trinshat. 30 Trinshat. Ek, Dve, Trini. Trayah. Trayas Trinshat. Trayas Trinshat. 33. Chatus Trinshat. Trinshat. Ek, Dve, Trayah, Chatvari or Chatvarah. So, Chatustrinshat, 34. Panchatrinshat, Trinshat, Ek, Dve, Trayah, Chatvari, Pancha. Pancha, Trinshat, Pancha, Trinshat, Panchatrinshat, 35. Chadatrinshat, Trinshat, Ek, Dve, Trayah, Chatvari, Pancha, Shad. Shadi, Trinshat. Saptatrinshat. Trinshat. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shad, Sapta. Sapta, Trinshat. 37. Ashtatrinshat. Trinshat. Ek, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shad, Sapta, Ashta. Ashta, Trinshat. Ashta, Trinshat. 38. Navatrinshat. Trinshat. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shad, Sapta, Ashta, Nava. Nava, Trinshat. Navatrinshat. 39. Chatvarinshat. Trinshat. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shad, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. So 30 plus 10, 40. Chatvarinshat. Trinshat, Dasha. Chatvarinshat. 40, 40. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed learning Sankhyae. Ekatrinshat to Chatvarinshat. See you in the next video. Dhanyavadah. Namo Namaha.